Welcome to the Adobe Photoshop Express, Part 1 of 4 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video includes Getting Started, Looks tab. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. Maximize or Restore Down button becomes a single square. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from the normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red and blue for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scrolling sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on the computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Adobe Photoshop Express is a free download photo editing software. It is a mobile application. The app is available for iOS, Android, Windows phones, tablets, and desktops. Since Adobe Photoshop Express is a mobile app, you can edit pictures on your phone if you have the app. Before we begin to edit pictures, I want to show you the different features of this application. Click on the Adobe Photoshop Express icon to open the app. Click on the Pictures library to select a picture. Click the picture and click Open. Or click on the camera to open the picture files of the camera while is connected to a computer. Select a picture and click Open. Once you click on the picture, the app opens with the picture ready for you to edit. Each color variation has a slider which allows you to increase or decrease the amount of variation you want. The toolbar above the work area, Undo, Redo, Auto Enhance, Viewing Original, Zoom, Save, Share, Print, Try Photoshop Elements, Preferences, About App, Send Feedback, Sign Out. Looks, Crop Correction, Spot Heal, fixed red eye, borders, preference. Each icon gives you access to different editing tools. We're going to start with the Looks tab. Basic command has 23 color variations: normal, vibrant, autumn, spring, summer, winter, invert, bueno, pastel, haze, koi, aquatic, silvered, mist. Looks tab continued, dappled, dream, super punch, vivid, glow, contrast punch, black and white, carmine, memory. Looks tab charm command has 17 color variations: normal, charm 1, charm 2, charm 3, charm 4, charm 5, charm 6, charm 7, charm 8, charm 9, charm 10, charm 11. Looks tab charm continued, charm 12, charm 13, charm 14, charm 15, charm 16. Looks tab black and white command has 12 color variations: normal, faded black and white, 60s TV grab, high contrast black and white, infrared, pinhole, septal 1, septal 2, white mist, antique, selenium, green filter. Looks tab portrait command has 11 color variations: normal, vignette glow, Orton, vignette blue, vintage 1, warm vintage, 3D, nostalgic, soft, grungified, gleam. Looks tab nature command has 12 color variations: normal, bright, cinematic, classic, colorful, twilight, the blues, verve, grain, fake, vital, brew. Looks tab pop color command has 10 color variations: normal, orange, aqua, blue, green, magenta, purple, red, yellow, RGB. Looks tab duotone command has 16 color variations: normal, magenta, green, mint, orange, purple, red, teal. Looks duotone continued, gold, salmon, dawn, red tint, brown tint, green tint, blue tint, purple tint. This concludes the Adobe Photoshop Express Part 1. Thank you for joining us for Part 1. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 2 through 4 of Adobe Photoshop Express. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.